Hello friend, you are most welcome to my channel. Let's in this video of your textbook page 14 and exercise 1.3 and a question number 1 will be discussed here. Here you see, write the following in decimal form and say that what kind of decimal expansion each has. What kind of decimal expansion means it is non-terminating repeating decimal expansion or non-terminating non-repeating decimal expansion. This one you have to say, or decimal expansion or terminating decimal expansion or not. These are the decimal expansion we have to say. After solving and have to say what kind of decimal expansion it has. Let's we begin our solution. First question you see 36 by 100. Let's we divide it and see what kind of decimal expansion it has. 36 divided by 100. 36 you see this dividend and this divisor. Dividend is smaller than the divisor. Then first time you give the 0 times we have to give. Then it is 36. Now we put decimal. Then we can give more numbers of 0. More numbers of 0, unlimited 0 you can, as you want that much of 0 you can give. Now bring down 0 is here. Now immediately point also decimal also go there. Now it is 360. 100 3s are 300. Now minus it 0 6 0. Now 60 it is not possible to divide. Again you give the 0 is here. Now bring down 0. Now 106 are 600. Now you see this decimal expansion is your terminating decimal expansion. It means that 36 by 100, this one quotient is your 0.36. Thus it is your terminating decimal expansion. Terminating decimal expansion. This is the question is the terminated here, not repeated here, therefore it is terminating decimal expansion. Now next come to the next question. You see 1 and 11 have to divide. Then 1 and 11 are not divided. First you give 0 times I am given. Now bring down 1. Now 0.0. Now bring down the 0. Now immediately point also go there. Still it is not divided. Here is a 10, here is the 11. Now you give 0 times. Now 0. Now 10 you minus. Now again you give one more 0. Now bring down this one, 0 is here. It become 100. 11 9s are 99. Then minus it become 1. Now here also give 0. Now bring down 0 is here. 10. Still it is not divided. Again you give the 0 times. 0 times you give. Now minus it then again 10. Now here you give one more 0. Then here also you get 0. Now you 11 9s are 99. Now get 1. Now here also 0. Then here also get 0. Here also 0. Then it is not possible. Again you give the 0 times. Here is the 0. Then 10. One more 0 is here. Then you get zeros here. And 11 9s are your 99. Again 1. Now here you see carefully 0909 means 0.09 is your repeating block. 0.09 is your repeating block. It means that this one your non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Then you have to write 1 by 11 equal to 0.09. This is your, thus it is your non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. This is non-terminating repeating decimal expansion because this is the block 0.09 is your repeating block. This is your non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Come to the next question. You see this one, you turn into a improper fraction. 8 4s are 32 plus 1 33. Now you have to divide 33 by 8. 33 by 8 you have to divide it. Now 8 4s are 32, then minus 1. Now you give 0.0. Now bring down 0 is here. Now immediately point also go there. Then 8 1s are 8, again 2. Now give 0, bring down 0 is here. 8 2s are 16, then 4, again give 0. Now bring down 0 is here. 8 5s are 40. These are, here remainder comes 0. When remainder comes 0, here also this question remainder comes 0, means this question is your terminating decimal expansion. This question is your terminating decimal expansion. Here you write 4 1 by 8 equal to 33 by 8, and then our answer is 4.125. This is your terminating decimal expansion. Then you have to write thus it is our terminating decimal expansion. In this way, these three question I already solved. Then we go for the next page. Let's see our next question. 3 by 13. This one we have to divide 13. The first time you see this one, 3 and 13 is not divided. You give 0 times 0, then 3. Then you give decimal, then you give number of zeros is here. Now you bring down 0, immediately decimal also go there. This is the 30. 13 2s are 26, then 4. Now bring down 0, 40. 13 3s are 39, then again 1. Now bring down 0 is here. 10 and 13 is not possible to divide. You give 0 times, then 10. Now bring down 0, then 100, then 13 7s are 91, then your 9. Now this one 0, your 90. 13 6 are 78 you give. 13 7s are 91. It is more than 90. 13 6 are 78. Now 10 minus 8 2, then 8 minus 7 1, then 1 more 0. Here also 0, 120. Okay, then 13 9s are 117. Now minus it, 3 0 0. Now 1 more 0. Here also 0. 13 2s are 26. Again 4. Again you give 0. Then here also 0. 13 3s are 39. Again 1. Then here also 0 you give 0. Okay. Then not possible to divide 0. Then here also 0. Then 10. Then 1 more 0. 1 more 0 here. 13 7s are 91. Let's see here the question little carefully. Here you see 0.2 2, 3, 0, 7, 6, 9. After that again 2 is repeated. Here you see 3 is repeated, 0 is repeated, 7 is repeated. Means up to, from here to up to 2. Means our repeating block we get 0.2307692 is our repeating block. This is our repeating block. Okay, this is our repeating block here. It means that 3 by 13 is equal to 0.2307692 is our repeating block. Means this question is our non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. 3 by 13. I hope you understand the divide. This is your non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Now come to the next, our question 5. 2 by 11. 2 by 11. Then 2, 11. Now 2 and 11 are not divided. First you give 0 times 0, then 2. Now 0.000 you give. Now bring down 1 0, immediately point also go there. Then 0. Then 20. Then one time you give 11 ones are 11. Then 9. Then 0. Then 11 8s are 88. Then 2. Then 8 minus 8 0. Now 8 ones bring down 0. And then 11 ones are 11. Then again 9 0. 11 8s are 88. Then 2. Then 0. And here 0. 11 ones are 11. Then 9. Here also 0. Here also 0 come. 11 8s are 88. Then 2. Now come to the question. You see carefully. Here is the 1 8. Here is the 1 8. 1 8 are repeated. Means 0.18 are repeated. These blocks are repeated. These 2 digits are repeated. It means that 2 by 11 is equal to 0.18 are repeating block. Means this question is your thus non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. I hope you understand this one question. Then once more the last question. Let's we see. Now here is our last question. Question 6. 329 divided by 400. Let's we divide it. 329. Then 400. 400. Here is 329. Here is a 400. Not possible to divide. First you give 0 times. 329. Now give decimal 0. Now bring down 0 is here. Immediately decimal also go there. Then how many times you give? 400 into 8 you do. 408. 4 8s are 32. Here is a 20 you give. Okay. Now minus 0 9. Here is the 0. Now here also give 0 and bring down 0 is here. It is 900. Then 400 2s are 800. 4 into 4 1600. 400 2 times you give 800. 0 0 1. Then here is a 100, here is a 400, one small 0 you give. Now here 1000. 400 2 times you give. Here is a 1000. 400 2 times your 800. Now 0 0 2. Here also give 0. Now bring down 0 here. Here become 2000. 400 into 5 you give. Then it become your 2000. Now see, our remainder is our 0. If remainder is our 0 means it is your terminating decimal expansion. Means 329 divided by 400. Our answer is 0.8225. Thus it is our terminating decimal expansion. Terminating decimal expansion. I hope in the question number 1 of this exercise you understand. In this video up to this much. Thank you.